Now, what is snow principle? Snow principle means if a wire, you can see a wire here, and this wire, now there is no current in this wire, and if a magnetic needle is placed under the wire, if the magnetic needle is placed under the wire and no current passes through wire, that magnetic needle will point towards north. Clear? It will align in north south direction, that I know, and the pointer of that magnetic needle will point towards the north, and a wire is kept overhead of that magnetic needle. Overhead, that means over the magnetic needle, right? And now if current flows from south to north and this wire is kept overhead, that means wire is above the magnet, then the magnetic needle will deflect towards west. So S N O W, they are four letters in snow. So S stands for south and N stands for north and O stands for overhead. Overhead means the wire is over the magnetic needle. So, and W stands for west. That means if current flows from south to north direction and the wire is overhead, the magnet will deflect towards west. So if there is no current, the magnetic pointer of the magnetic compass will align in that south north direction and pointer will point towards north, and the moment current passes from south to north direction, the needle will deflect to west. Now if same thing, current flows from north to south, then and wire is on overhead, then the needle will reflect towards east. So if the direction of the current is reversed, that is from south to north, in place of south to north, if it is reversed in north to south direction, the direction of deflection will also change from west to east. The direction of deflection will also change if the wire is kept under and magnetic needle is kept above the wire. In that case, if the current passes from south to north and wire is below the magnetic compass, if this is the magnetic compass, suppose I have taken, I can take something, suppose suppose this is your magnetic compass, so it will show towards the north, and if the magnetic compass is above the current carrying wire, then if the current passes to south to north, it will deflect towards east. But if the magnetic compass below and wire is above the overhead, the magnetic compass in if there is no current, the magnetic compass will direct towards the north, but the moment current passes from south to north, the magnetic needle will deflect towards west. And this is your snow principle, and anything is reversed. If the current flows from north to south, it will deflect towards east. It will deflect towards its east. If also the direction changes, if the wire is kept under and needle is above the wire, again if the current flows from south to north, this time it will have a deflection towards east, because now the wire is below and the magnetic compass is over the wire. Similarly, if current is passed from north to south, if current is passed from north to south direction and the magnetic compass is kept over the wire, that means magnetic compass is over the wire, that means wire is placed under the magnetic compass. In that case, current pass from north to south and magnetic compass is over the wire, and the deflection will be again towards the west. So this is your Snow principle, and you can using this principle you can find in which direction the magnet will deflect. So this is your first topic in this chapter number 13. So we will discuss some more things in chapter 13 in next lectures. Thank you.